What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So your Facebook ads are getting rejected even if you follow their rules and guidelines, or maybe your ad was running for a while and then suddenly it got rejected and you don't even understand why. So don't worry, I got you. I've been through this thousands of times, and in today's video I'll show you the easiest way to avoid it, avoiding ad rejections and potentially risking your entire ad account of getting fully disabled, or worse than that, losing your entire Facebook profile. So here's the real problem. Facebook policies and guidelines are so confusing and they give you zero clarity about it. So it's super easy to make mistakes and getting your ad rejected and potentially losing your ad account. They say you violated some kind of policy and you are not sure even which one, or they don't tell you whether it's your ad copy or image ad, maybe it's your video, or even how to go ahead and fix it. So what do? You start guessing, you start rewriting, you start submitting your ad again, and then most of the time what ends up happening is your ads getting rejected again. And most of the time, if you get too many ads rejected, you will lose your ad account because of it. So hopefully you're still not in that stage. So as I mentioned before, I got you, don't worry. So what I did is I created a free Facebook ads tool, which essentially helps you to go ahead and check and validate that your ads are fully compliant. I call this Meta Ads Compliance Checker. Essentially what it is a GPT assistant, and it's designed to help you with making sure your ads are compliant, and it's constantly learning the latest Facebook ads policies so you don't have to go ahead and update it. Now what you can actually go ahead and check with this tool is your ad copy, your image ads, your video scripts, so essentially all your ad creatives materials. So before you go ahead and submit that to Facebook, you want to put them to this free tool, get the approval that these ads are compliant, and then go ahead and upload them into Facebook. Now also make sure that if your ads are not compliant, it will give you an alternative ID, alternative text, so you don't have to try to figure out what is compliant or not. So it will give you a couple options that you can go ahead and choose from. And as I mentioned before, it's completely free, and I will leave a link to it down in the description. Now for those that are more in advanced stages and really want to scale their Facebook ads, you can get your ad account disabled and restricted, not because of ad rejections, but if you try to scale aggressively and other different things. And that's where agency ad accounts come very in handy. So just in a nutshell, agency ad accounts, it's ad accounts that you rent out from a big agency that spends 7, 8, 9 figures a year, and they give you the option to rent out their ad accounts. And the whole caveat is that they get much better treatment than Facebook, and not just because of that, but overall using these ad accounts for over a year now, and all my clients using these accounts as well. I barely remember the last time that my ad account got disabled or I had a pause with my ads. So for those that really try to scale their ads and they want to see consistency, agency ad accounts is definitely the way to go for. Now in case you don't know what are agency ad accounts, I will leave a link to a video right over here that I explain everything about agency ad accounts and the benefits. And in case you would like to work with my own agency, I will leave a link in the description that you can go ahead and apply for a one-on-one meeting with me, and we can see if we are a good fit. So hopefully you took some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, amigos, and until the next one, peace.